Wow. What's your view on soulmates? Is there a tantric perspective on finding one, or is that a
Yes,
myth?
there is. Yes, there is, which is that you create your soulmate. It's not magic.
What does that mean? You create in the
That
lab?
means that you have, I don't want to get too technical, but you have these 7 chakras, and it's like if you match vibrationally with another person, you'll naturally attract them. So we attract who we are. We attract, like if I'm really still screwed up in my emotions, like we've talked about, like if I'm still
In
haven't
trauma.
healed the fact that my childhood was traumatic, I'm going to attract, like you said, some guy who's very happy to beat me up emotionally. But if I heal that, if I heal it in myself, I'm going to attract a guy who is healed there also.
So
So
automatically that when we heal, like we heal ourselves, so we change our vibration, we're automatically gonna vibe with somebody else.
yeah, we're not attracted anymore to people who aren't
Okay, yeah.
well.
Wow.
Okay? So
Yeah,
we're not
because we see
attracted.
it. We see it
Yeah,
after.
yeah.
Wow.
And a lot of people say, "Well, I'm attracted to bad boys." It's like, well, if you
Because you're a
heal,
bad girl.
if you heal your bad girlness, and that you can still have fun playing at being a bad girl, but you don't have to be a bad person.
Mm-hmm.
And you will suddenly you'll go, I'm not attracted to those kind of guys anymore. I want someone who's going to love me. I don't want someone who's going to always be threatening to leave. I want someone who's going to be here and love me. So as you continue to heal yourself and raise your vibration, you'll attract someone else with a higher vibration. And that's called soulmates. When you get to a high enough level that you're like both firing on all cylinders, then you got like the perfect relationship. So it's something to look forward to and to plan for and to keep in motion about.
Well, that all makes sense because when you start healing and fixing and building yourself, well, you realize that the people that you're gonna attract are more similar to you because now not your expectations, but because you were there. So if that person is not like ready, like you are to move on, and
Yeah.
you're gonna feel it, and that person won't be attractive. So I get it. That so makes sense. I would have never thought about that before.
Yeah.
Wow.